Hey everyone, welcome back to Mastering Mayhem. I appreciate you guys tuning in. My name is Marius, and just want to do a reminder video here about this giveaway that's going to be happening on December 5th. So December 4th of 2020, this year at midnight Central Standard Time will be the cutoff time to be able to enter. It is 2 videos that I have put up in which you can enter by commenting and subscribing. I'll include those links in the description of this video, as well as the pinned comment that I'll leave at the top of the comment section. So those will be the 2 videos. All you gotta do is subscribe on one, through one of those videos and leave a comment, and you will be entered into this awesome giveaway, right? Another thing I want to talk about as far as giveaways, my brother makes custom knives. His YouTube channel is called Knathan's Knives. You can check that out. He's doing a giveaway. Most folks that love tools also love knives, as I do, so I figured I'd share that with you guys since this has to do with giveaways. I will include the link to his channel in the same way in the description of the video, and in the comments I'll pin it up underneath the other comments as well at the top of the comment section. He custom makes pocket knives, any kind of knives, does reviews on them, and shares his insight on the the good, the bad, the ugly of any particular knife brand or model and style. Please check out his video. He's working very hard. If you're interested in knives and are a knife fan. If you are, please leave a comment under this video as well, just letting me know if y'all are checking him out. He does great work, and he's doing it consistently, and he's getting a lot of great feedback from knife lovers out there. Let's move on to this guy here. As far as the model number for this particular set is DCKTS295T2, but basically what this guy comes with is a FlexVolt set here. So it comes with a reciprocating saw, it comes with an impact driver, 2 FlexVolt batteries, the 60/20 volt capability batteries, 6 amperage hour batteries. Man, I couldn't say that. And it comes with the fast charger as well. So I have other videos up where I did an unboxing on one, make sure everything works. So if you want to check that out, that'll be in the links. I found these, as you would see in the other videos, I found them for $1.99 a set at Tractor Supply, where the lowest price right now still that I last saw was $4.59 at Costco. But they're online, they're going for $500 for this particular set. If you go watch the other video where I'm actually talking to a Tractor Supply employee, she will tell you exactly how to make sure you have the Tractor Supply employees actually look up the set with the SKU number, because you need the SKU number. So that's for you guys who want to know how to actually get it for $1.99, if they're still out there. You'll see in the comments of the other videos, everyone started checking all their Tractor Supplies because it's such a great deal. So yeah, it includes those 2 tools, 2 60 volt 6 amperage hour batteries, a tough system box. You're good to go. Just wanted to do that reminder because I know Black Friday, Cyber Monday, holiday stuff, all that stuff is going on right now. But for me and most people I talk to in the comments, this is the best deal. This is the deal of the season, the find of the season. I think even one guy said the find of the century. So if you're looking for a great gift and you'd like to enter a chance to just win a beautiful set to give to anybody or to keep for yourself, this is the set to do it with. I'm giving 2 sets away. So 2 people can have the opportunity to win this guy. So go check out those 2 videos in the links below this video and click them, and all you gotta do is comment, subscribe, and you're in. And December 4th 2020 midnight Central Standard Time, it is the cutoff time. So go ahead and do that. I appreciate all your support. So one last thing I'd like to mention is that my wife, alright, so this is my wife's embroidery room. So she does embroidery. This is the machine here. She's already done a few orders for businesses out there, 50+ pieces. So she does her own baseball cap for her channel or for her customers there on YouTube. As you can see here, we have the baseball cap holder, so she can embroider baseball caps. She can do shirts, bags, basically anything that can take embroidery. You can see we got all the threads there, whatever colors you guys want. Let us know if you need anything like that through just contacting me through email. We can go from there with you guys and get you those orders fulfilled if you need something like that done. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you all. And then this is my son Titus. What are you working on making? Or you want to do your own YouTube channel?
Yeah.
On Minecraft?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's my son Titus. He's working hard on trying to learn how to read and play really well in Minecraft, so he's working on that as well. And his thumbs up for me and them.
Yeah.
Tell them all good luck to whoever wins those, right?
Yeah. These are pretty good.
Yeah, those are some awesome tools, right?
Yeah. Look at this one.
Yeah, so that's called a reciprocating saw.
Oh. Bye.
So what I would really like to do, I would like to do some kind of Zoom call or Duo or FaceTime, doesn't matter. Once you receive it in the mail, and just I would love to see how you guys receive it. You know, just have an idea what it is that my giveaways are helping with, or how it's helping people out. So thank you once again for everything. I really do appreciate every single one of you for tuning in, commenting, watching as much of the videos as you can, because all that does help with the YouTube algorithm and how they push videos and whatnot. So please comment, like, share, subscribe, watch as much of the videos as you can. That helps out a lot. And I'm going to continue to do giveaways, and it's not just going to be new subscribers, by the way. You know, I'm going to do different kinds of giveaways to show my appreciation to all of my viewers. So once again, until next time, here at Mastering Mayhem, I'm always going to look for the best tools, tech, DIYs, and deals to help make life a little easier and work more efficient. So until next time, all the best to you and yours.